Many workers experience extreme heat at work, but may not realize that this condition is known as heat stress. Heat stress happens when the body is exposed to high temperatures for long periods and is unable to cool itself effectively. In workplaces where physical activity, hot environments, or heat-producing equipment are involved, heat stress can develop quickly and affect health, safety, and performance. To understand how to manage heat stress properly, let's first look at how heat stress happens in the workplace. Heat stress develops in the workplace when the body is exposed to high temperatures and cannot release heat fast enough. This often happens during physical work, especially in hot or humid conditions where sweating becomes less effective. Heat can also build up in indoor environments due to machinery, equipment, or processes that generate high temperatures. When ventilation is poor or airflow is limited, hot air becomes trapped, making it even harder for the body to cool down. Over time, continued exposure to these conditions can cause body temperature to rise, leading to heat stress. When heat stress begins to develop, the body often shows warning signs early. Recognizing these signs is important so action can be taken before the condition becomes more serious. Early symptoms of heat stress often start with excessive sweating and constant thirst as the body tries to cool itself. Workers may begin to feel tired, weak, or dizzy, especially during physical activity. Headaches, nausea, and muscle cramps can also occur as fluids and electrolytes are lost through sweating. As heat stress progresses, concentration and coordination may decrease, increasing the risk of mistakes and workplace accidents. If early symptoms are ignored or not managed properly, heat stress can worsen quickly. This can lead to several hazards of heat stress that affect health, safety, and work performance. First, dehydration and heat-related illnesses. Untreated heat stress can progress to heat exhaustion or heat stroke. Second, increased accident risk. Heat reduces focus, reaction time, and physical coordination. Also, worsening of existing medical conditions. Workers with heart, lung, or kidney conditions are more vulnerable. Finally, medical emergencies. Heat stroke is life-threatening and requires immediate medical treatment. Because heat stress can escalate rapidly, a clear response to heat stress is essential. Knowing what actions to take when symptoms appear can prevent serious health consequences. First, stop work and move to a cooler area. Rest in shade or an air-conditioned space immediately. Second, cool the body and rehydrate. Loosen clothing and drink cool water in small, frequent sips. Also, monitor the affected person closely. Watch for confusion, vomiting, or loss of consciousness. Finally, seek medical help if symptoms worsen. Emergency assistance is required for severe symptoms such as fainting or confusion. While response is important, effective control measures for heat stress help reduce exposure and prevent the condition from developing in the first place. First, plan work activities wisely. Schedule heavy tasks during cooler periods and rotate workers when possible. Second, ensure regular hydration and rest breaks. Water should be easily accessible and breaks should be frequent. Also, improve ventilation and cooling systems. Use fans, exhaust ventilation, or air conditioning to reduce heat buildup. Finally, provide training and awareness. Workers should know heat stress symptoms, risks, and response procedures. Heat stress is a serious but preventable workplace hazard. By understanding how it occurs, recognizing early symptoms, and taking timely action, serious health effects can be avoided. A safe workplace in hot conditions depends on awareness, preparation, and shared responsibility.